It only takes for you to win once. You could lose 10 years in a row and you hit that right jug. Bam! That shit changed the goddamn game. And guess what? They gonna bow down. So I don't care how rough it's been on you, all you gotta do is hit once.
Back with another early bird special. It's the early bird shit, man. Tired. I tell y'all, this is the motherfucking early bird special. This is the early bird special, man. Why do I have so much energy at 6 o'clock in the morning? I don't know. They told me you gotta fall in love with the process. I'm in love. What's good, y'all? Gang gang. Before the sun.
What?
Right now, we finna go over to this little, like, soccer court, get some ball handling in. But, whoa. Ah, that's crazy. All right. There's ways around that. There is ways around that. Oh, you talking about dog park. We none but dogs, you feel me?
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
See this gate? And then you just gotta jump it. Look, say this vibe wouldn't be fire if there was some basketball courts here, man. More basketball courts around. More basketball courts, please, y'all. Hey! Now we actually finna go back to the house, get something to eat, make a quick little bite, and then see what the time is. See what's going on. One reason I love Florida, stuff like this. It's raining, but you can barely see a rain cloud anywhere. That shit is so fire, it's so peaceful, so nice. Look at, oh my God, it is beautiful. Y'all see that? Y'all probably can't even see it. This shit is so beautiful outside, but it is raining. That's how you avoid puddles. Sheesh! Can I get a Thank you. You need to get strong. You need to lose weight. You need to get in better shape.
Those are things I can't imagine coming to a camp like this and not being in shape.
Oh, he can't guard.